Welcome back to the channel. In the heart of the remote rainforest of Papua, Indonesia, there exists an indigenous tribe that has recently become the talk of the town. No! It's not just their unique way of life or ancient traditions that have captured global attention. It's something much more striking. Their electric blue eyes. And no, this isn't a trick of the light or a Photoshop edit. Their eyes are genuinely a mesmerizing shade of blue that appears almost otherworldly. This has left scientists scratching their heads, photographers in awe, and the internet buzzing with intrigue. But what's behind this captivating phenomenon? Let's delve deep into the story of the Indonesian tribe with electric blue eyes. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. The first question that pops into everyone's mind is, where exactly is this tribe located? As mentioned before, this extraordinary tribe calls the rainforest of Papua home. If you're not familiar with Papua, let me give you a quick rundown. Papua is an Indonesian province known for its lush rainforests and incredible biodiversity. It is one of the least developed regions in the country and is home to over 250 indigenous ethnic groups, each with their own distinct culture and traditions. Now, within this province, more specifically in the Central Highlands, you'll find the Dani, a small indigenous tribe known for their unique lifestyle and, of course, their mesmerizing blue eyes. The Dani people have managed to maintain a traditional way of life for centuries. They live in harmony with nature, relying on the forest for their food, clothing, and medicine. Their houses are typically built over permanent tree platforms, and their days are filled with gardening, hunting, weaving. So why do they have blue eyes? Well, that's where things get really interesting. You see, the most widely accepted explanation for this rare eye color is a genetic condition known as Waardenburg syndrome. This intriguing disorder can affect the pigmentation of a person's eyes, skin, and hair, leading to a range of symptoms. One of the key characteristics of Waardenburg syndrome is heterochromia, which means having different colored eyes. People with this condition can have one blue eye and one brown eye, or they might have two different shades of the same color, like green and gold. But the most captivating form of heterochromia is the one seen in the Indonesian tribe, where both eyes are an incredibly rare, icy blue or even turquoise. This striking eye color is thought to be the result of a mutation in the genes responsible for producing melanin, the pigment that determines the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. Melanin is produced by specialized cells called melanocytes, and any disruption in the production or distribution of melanin can lead to Waardenburg syndrome. This mutation doesn't occur very frequently, and when it does, it tends to affect only one or two members of a family. However, in the case of the Indonesian tribe, it's believed that a single gene mutation took place generations ago, because the tribe practiced endogamy, meaning marriages typically occur within the community. The gene responsible for the blue eyes got passed down repeatedly, leading to a higher concentration of blue-eyed individuals. But it is important to note that while the scientific community believes Waardenburg syndrome is the likely cause of the blue eyes, the tribe itself sees it as a gift from their ancestors. They don't view it as a disorder or a curse, but as a mark of distinction and spiritual significance. The elders often refer to those with blue eyes as having a gift from the sky, believing they possess a closer connection to the spiritual realm. This belief is deeply ingrained in their culture and serves as a reminder of the profound respect they have for the natural world and its mysteries. But how did the world find out about them? The mystery surrounding the blue-eyed tribe would have likely continued if it was not for a few intrepid photographers who ventured into the remote villages of Papua. These daring explorers weren't just hiking enthusiasts or wildlife photographers. They had a deep passion for discovering and documenting the hidden cultures that still existed in the most remote parts of the world. With cameras in hand, they embarked on a journey that would change not only their perspective, but also that of the entire globe. When they first encountered the Dani tribe, they were struck by the warmth and hospitality of the people. Despite their traditional and somewhat isolated way of life, The tribe welcomed the photographers with open arms, sharing their customs, traditions, and stories. The photographers, in turn, were eager to learn and document this unique culture for the rest of the world to see. As the photographers set up their tripods and cameras, capturing the daily life and rituals of the Dani people, they noticed something that made them stop in their tracks. The eyes of some of the tribe members were a startling shade of blue, an unexpected sight in a region where darker skin tones are prevalent. Intrigued and slightly mystified, the photographers turned their lenses towards the mesmerizing gaze of the blue-eyed individuals. What they captured in those photographs were not just striking images of unique eye colors, but also glimpses into a world untouched by modern society. The images that emerged from those expeditions were nothing short of breathtaking. The combination of the vibrant cultural backdrop of the Dani tribe and the mesmerizing blue eyes created a visual spectacle that had never been seen before. The photographers knew they had stumbled upon something truly special, and with great care, they began to share their discoveries with the world. Through exhibitions, publications, and online platforms, the images of the blue-eyed tribe started to gain traction. What began as a small-scale local interest soon exploded into a global sensation. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Reddit became buzzing hubs of discussions and speculations. People from all corners of the globe were captivated by the enigma of the blue eyes. Some wondered if the images were real, questioning whether they were the result of Photoshop tricks or colored contact lenses. Others were fascinated by the cultural context, eager to learn about the beliefs and traditions surrounding the blue eyes within the tribe. As the curiosity grew, so did the reach of the tribe's story. Major news outlets and science magazines picked up the narrative, amplifying the intrigue even further. Suddenly, a remote tribe in the heart of an Indonesian rainforest was thrust into the global spotlight. Why is this important? The sudden surge of interest in the blue-eyed tribe was not just a momentary internet fad. It highlighted a deeper fascination with human diversity and the mysteries of genetics. It posed a question that had echoed throughout history. What makes us us? The uniformity that many had come to expect was challenged by the very existence of the blue-eyed tribe. In a world that often categorized and separated people based on appearances, here was a stark reminder of the beautiful unpredictability of human genetics. It was a testament to the fact that life, in all its complexity, never ceases to amaze. What's next for the tribe? While the global attention brought on by the blue-eyed tribe has been intense, it's also raised important questions about their welfare and rights. As the world marveled at their unique appearance, it's crucial to remember that they are real people with real needs and concerns. Many have expressed worries about the potential exploitation of the tribe for commercial gain, highlighting the need for ethical considerations to be at the forefront of any interactions. Additionally, there's a growing interest in understanding the medical aspects of Waardenburg syndrome, not just for the sake of scientific knowledge, but also to ensure the well-being of the tribe. Studies are underway to better understand the genetic mechanisms behind the condition, aiming to not only unravel the mysteries of the blue eyes, but also to provide insights into potential treatments or therapies. Collaboration between research and community leaders is essential to strike a balance between advancing medical knowledge and respecting the autonomy and dignity of the blue-eyed tribe. And finally, the story of the Indonesian tribe with electric blue eyes is a captivating blend of genetics, culture, and human curiosity. It's a reminder that our world is filled with wonders that continue to elude our understanding. It's an invitation to embrace the mysteries of life and to celebrate the diversity that makes us uniquely human. So the next time you come across images of those mesmerizing blue eyes, remember that they are not just a captivating sight, but a window into a world that challenges our perceptions and expands our understanding of the human experience. That's all for today. Do you find this topic interesting? Let us know your thoughts. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.